Hello everyone, welcome back to the Top 5 Products channel. In today's presentation, I'll be unveiling the top 5 electric razors designed specifically for men in 2023 and AMP 2024. These grooming tools offer various features, from precision trimming to seamless shaving experiences. Let's dive in. Number 1. Braun Series 9 Pro 9465 cubic centimeters wet and dry electric razor for men. This wet and dry electric foil shaver boasts a ProLift beard trimmer, a cleaning and charging smart care center, and a titanium-coated trimmer. With its 5 synchronized shaving elements capturing more hair in one stroke, it promises a flawlessly smooth shave. The ProLift beard trimmer is perfect for tackling flat-lying hairs, especially around the neck and chin. Its titanium-coated trimmer ensures durability, while the cleaning and charging smart care center handles automatic cleaning, lubrication, drying, and charging with ease. Delivering up to 60 minutes of cordless shaving, its 10D flexible head adapts to facial contours. The Braun Series 9 Pro 9465 cubic centimeters offers both a flawless shave and an elegant design. Number 2. Panasonic Arc 5 Electric Razor. This wet and dry shaver features a pop-up trimmer, a 5-blade system, and a multi-flex pivoting head. With a powerful linear motor delivering 14,000 cuts per minute, it ensures a fast and efficient shave. The 5-blade system comprises ultra-sharp blades angled at 30 degrees for a precise cut. Its multi-flex pivoting head smoothly glides along facial contours, providing a comfortable and close shave. Offering up to 45 minutes of cordless shaving, it includes a 10-stage LCD battery indicator for convenience. The built-in sonic vibration cleaning mode simplifies the cleaning process. The Panasonic Arc 5 electric razor combines power, precision, and durability. Number 3. Philips Nelco S9000 Prestige Rechargeable Wet and Dry Shaver. Featuring nanotech precision blades and a smart click precision trimmer, this wet and dry shaver includes a bonus set of replacement shaving heads and a wireless charging pad. The nanotech precision blades coated with nanoparticles ensure a close and comfortable shave. The Smart Click Precision Trimmer is ideal for detailed grooming, while the wireless charging pad offers cordless charging convenience. Providing up to 60 minutes of cordless shaving, its digital display shows battery level and cleaning indicators. The Philips Nelco S9000 Prestige Rechargeable Wet and Dry Shaver epitomizes luxury and functionality. Number 4. Braun Series 770/20 Flex Electric Razor. This wet and dry electric razor adapts to beard density and skin type via smart AutoSense technology. Equipped with a precision trimmer and a flexible head moving in 8 directions, it provides up to 50 minutes of cordless shaving. The 5-minute quick charge option ensures convenience, and the cleaning and charging station simplifies maintenance. The Braun Series 770/20 Flex offers a premium, gentle shave and an ergonomic design. Number 5. Remington Foil Shaver. This cordless rechargeable razor features a pop-up trimmer, pivot, and flex foil technology, providing up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime. Its LED battery indicator keeps you informed, and the pivot and flex foil technology adapt to facial contours for a comfortable shave. Easy to clean under the faucet, the Remington Foil Shaver offers a budget-friendly option with decent performance. And that wraps up our selection of the top 5 electric razors for men in 2023 and 2024. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which razor caught your attention or if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and until next time.